Good morning. Coming to you from CTL Truck Sales, Phoenix, Arizona, on a beautiful May 11th, 2016. Today, CTL Truck Sales is offering this rather handsome looking 2013 Kenworth T660. It's powered with a Cummins ISX set at 450 horsepower. Got a 13 speed, featuring 3.36 gear ratio. This truck is set up for ultra good fuel mileage, sitting on low profile 22.5 rubber on aluminum wheels, dual aluminum tanks. It's got full fairings. It's the 72-inch aero cab. Very low miles, 308,000 miles on air suspension. Look how nice this truck is. It's operated out of Arizona. It was bought new here in Phoenix and operated out of the Phoenix area. For its short life of 308,000 miles, there's no body damage on this truck. Look how nice and clean it is. I'm going to walk around and just quickly open the hood. Very nice. The bumper is good. The hood is nice. There's no body or cab damage on it anywhere. We'll take a look at the turbo side of the engine first here. Look how nice and factory original this truck truly is. Walk over to the driver's side and then we'll quickly get inside. CTL Truck Sales of Phoenix, our website, ctltrucksales.com. Our phone number, 602-278-3350. This is a fully appointed truck. Lots of options, full gauges. We'll close the door here. It's got the navigation system. The really nice aero cab. Take a look at how nice this sleeper is, with 2 beds, full storage compartments. Very, very clean and very well kept. 13 speed. As I said, 3.36 gear ratio. Let's just quickly start it up. 308,907 miles on it currently. There we go. Nice. No codes. Everything is good on this truck. Please call us at 602-278-3350. We have a very nice special price on this to where you can enjoy using this for many, many miles. It is stock number 2559 at CTL Truck Sales. Thank you. God bless America.